Learning with Easy English Daily. Let's start.
Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am visiting my local supermarket and I would love for you to come with me. I usually shop here several times a week because I enjoy choosing fresh food for my home. Buying groceries is part of my normal daily routine and I always try to pick healthy and good quality products. Today I plan to buy vegetables, fruits, milk, bread and a few snacks. I already know some of the things I need, but I also enjoy walking through the aisles and discovering fresh items that catch my attention. When I shop, I carefully check the colors, freshness and cleanliness of the food before I choose anything. Bright vegetables and fresh fruits usually mean better quality. I never like to hurry while shopping because I enjoy the experience. Before we begin, can you guess what I will buy today? Watch carefully and follow me inside the supermarket. I hope you enjoy this shopping trip with me. Now I am in the vegetable section of the supermarket. This is always the first place I visit because I enjoy looking at all the fresh vegetables. The colors here are bright and beautiful, and everything looks clean and healthy. When I walk through this area, I feel calm and relaxed because I like fresh food very much. The first thing I notice is the tomatoes. They are red, shiny and fresh. I always check the tomatoes carefully before putting them in my cart. I like tomatoes that are smooth, firm and not too soft. Soft tomatoes usually are not very fresh. I think these tomatoes will be perfect for a salad or a simple meal at home. Next to the tomatoes, I can see cucumbers. They are long, green and fresh. I enjoy eating cucumbers because they taste light and refreshing. They are also very good for salads. I pick up a few cucumbers and check if they are firm and clean before I buy them. A little farther away, I see carrots. Their bright orange color really stands out. I like carrots because they are healthy and crunchy. I usually choose carrots that are straight, smooth and medium-sized. Nearby I can also see fresh broccoli. The broccoli today looks very green and firm, which means it is fresh and good quality. Sometimes I stop and compare different vegetables before making my choice. One tomato may be larger, while another one may look fresher. One cucumber may be straight, while another may be curved. I never rush while shopping because I enjoy taking my time and choosing carefully. Today I will buy tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots and broccoli. These simple vegetables will help me prepare a fresh and healthy meal at home. After putting everything into my cart, I am ready to move to the fruit section. Now I am in the fruit section, and this is one of my favorite places in the entire supermarket. Everything here looks fresh, colorful and full of life. I can see many different kinds of fruits arranged neatly on the shelves. The bright colors and sweet smell make this area feel warm and welcoming. Whenever I come here, I feel happy and relaxed because I enjoy looking at fresh fruit very much. The first thing I notice is the bananas. They are bright yellow and look very fresh today. Some bananas are still a little green, while others are fully yellow and ready to eat. I usually choose bananas that are yellow but still firm because they stay fresh for a longer time. I carefully check each bunch before placing it in my cart. Next, I walk over to the oranges. They are bright orange, round and shiny. I like oranges because they are juicy, refreshing and full of flavor. When I pick an orange, I always hold it in my hand for a moment. If it feels a little heavy, that usually means it has more juice inside. Nearby, I can see grapes in different colors. Some grapes are green and some are dark purple. They look small, shiny and very fresh. I enjoy eating grapes because they are sweet, easy to eat and perfect as a quick snack. Then I stop in front of the apples. There are red apples and green apples and both look beautiful. The red apples seem sweet and soft, while the green apples look crisp and fresh. I always check apples carefully because I do not like fruit with marks or dark spots. Today I am still deciding which apples to buy, because they all look so fresh and delicious. Now I am leaving the fruit section and moving to another part of the supermarket. My shopping cart is already getting quite full, but I still need a few important items for today. After buying vegetables and fruits, I usually come here for my daily household essentials. Right now I am standing near the bread section. I can already smell fresh bread in the air, and it feels warm and very pleasant. I really like this smell because it makes the whole area feel cozy and welcoming. There are many types of bread here. Some are small, some are large, and some have seeds on top. I usually prefer simple fresh bread because I eat it almost every day. This loaf looks very fresh and soft. The color is good and it feels light when I touch it. I think this bread will be perfect for breakfast and sandwiches. So I decide to take it and carefully place it in my cart before moving forward to the next section. Next, I need eggs. I always check the boxes carefully before buying them because I do not want any broken eggs. This box looks good. Everything inside is clean and well organized, so I think I will take this one. Now my shopping cart looks much fuller than before. Bread, milk, eggs, fruits and vegetables, all the important items are now together. It feels good to see everything I need in one place. My cart is finally full, and I think I have everything for today. Now I am ready to go to the checkout and pay for my groceries. There are a few checkout lines open right now, so I am looking for the shortest one. I do not mind waiting a little, but I always try to choose the line that moves faster. There are a few people in front of me, so I have some time to look at my cart again. Sometimes, while I wait in line, I think about what I will cook later. Maybe I will make a fresh salad tonight, or something simple with vegetables and bread. Now it is my turn. Hello, how are you today? How about you? I'm good, thank you. It has been a busy day today. Yes, I noticed the store became more busy while I was shopping. That usually happens later in the day. Did you find everything you needed? Yes, I did. Everything was very easy to find today. That's good, you chose a lot of fresh food. That's true, every time I come here, I plan to buy only a few things, but my cart always becomes completely full. That happens to many people. At least most of it is healthy food. Yes, your cart actually looks very healthy and colourful. I try to eat fresh food as much as possible. I believe simple meals with good ingredients are the best. I agree with you. Did you enjoy shopping today? Yes, I did. It helps me relax a little. That's nice. Shopping can feel stressful sometimes. Yes, but today felt very peaceful and calm. All right, everything is ready now. Perfect, thank you very much. You're welcome, have a wonderful day. Thank you, you too. Now I am leaving the supermarket, and my shopping day is finally finished. I have all my bags with me, and they feel a little heavy now. After spending some time inside, the fresh air outside feels really good. I always enjoy this moment after shopping because it feels relaxing. Everything is done, my cart is empty and I can finally relax. Today was actually very pleasant and peaceful. Now let's go back to the question from the beginning of the video. Can you remember it? I asked you to guess what I was going to buy today. So were you right? Write in the comments what products you think I bought at the supermarket today. This will help you practice English and learn faster. I would really love to read your answers. Thank you for shopping with me today. I hope you enjoyed this little trip to the supermarket. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel Easy English Daily for more awesome stories. For more updates, click on the bell icon